I have told you yesterday, day before yesterday class, how you are defining the three phase. Yes or no? You are having three windings. Okay, three windings are there. Then I have told you, in case in your syllabus only three phase balance system is there. Three phase balance system is there, where the system is completely balanced. Now how do you define a three phase balance system? In, tell me, what is the difference between a balanced system and unbalanced system? Tell me. Already I have told you. Tell me quick. Yes, balanced system and unbalanced system. Tell me. Tell. Balanced system and unbalanced system. My voice is audible or not?
मैम बैलेंस
Yes,
सिस्टम
ma'am.
में इक्वल लोड और इक्वल फेज डिफरेंस होता है.
Equal phase difference रहेगा. Three phase, the phase difference is equal. Phase difference is equal. Very good. Then what you are telling?
मैम इक्वल लोड.
Equal load. Loads are equal in each phase. You may get short questions. Loads are equal in each phase and in each line. Okay, in each phase and each line. And next, what you are telling? This is the first point. What is the second point? In each phase. Okay, second one is what you are telling? Phase difference is your how much degree? Phase difference is 120 degree exactly. So this is how you are defining a which system? Balanced system. Understood? All of you? Got it, all of you, or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just wait 1 second. Just wait 1 second. Huh? Yes. Nice. Oh. See, now my screen is visible.
यस मैम.
How do you define these three phase sequence? Can anybody tell me? How do you define phase sequence? Yes, tell me. Phase sequences, I have told you there are three phase voltages. The phase sequence is defined as the order in which the voltages in the three-phase order in which the voltages in the three phases reach their maximum positive value, reach their maximum positive value, maximum positive value. Okay, the order in which the voltages in the three phase reach their maximum positive value. So how do you define, written all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, written.
Okay. So here, last class I have told you there are three voltages. Here you see, just briefly, this you may not get in your exam point of view. One voltages, this is my reference. Suppose this one is your VR phase. Okay. Now after 120-degree phase difference, which voltage will start? Tell me. After 120-degree phase difference, another phase voltage will start. That is, suppose, which one? Suppose this is your Vy. Okay. After 120-degree phase difference, which voltage will start? Tell me. Which voltage will start? Which voltage will start? Tell me. This will be V. So now here you tell me, if I am taking this as the reference axis, this one I am taking as the reference axis. This is my reference axis. Okay. Everything I am measuring from here. You now tell me, first whose maximum voltage comes? Maximum voltage of which phase comes first? R phase. Okay. Second one, maximum of which voltage come? Second one is your what? Y.
Vy.
Then next come
V.
B. So now we will tell that the order in which you see here I have written the order in which they reach their maximum positive value. First R comes, then Y comes, then B comes. So we will tell that the phase sequence is how much? Anurag, you got it? Phase sequence is RYB. Anurag, respond.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Okay, very good. So here, a phase sequences is what? RYB. Okay, the order in which the maximum positive value occur. Now here you tell me, suppose I am writing VR is equal to Vm sine omega t. Listen all of you very carefully. Okay. Here you see all the maximum voltages are equal. This is Vm, this is also Vm, this one is also Vm. Maximum magnitude of the maximum voltage is equal. So Vr is equal to Vm sine omega t. How I can write down Vy voltage? Tell me. How you can write down Vy voltage? Can you tell me?
Sine omega t plus 120.
Yes, tell me. Bm sine omega t plus how much? Plus or minus? Look at the graph properly.
Minus.
Think of it. Think. My y of the 0 is starting after 120 degree, right? And
ना तो माइनस होना चाहिए.
क्या हुआ? क्या? What happened? Tell me.
नहीं कुछ नहीं मैं.
Tell. So this will be Vm sine omega t minus 120 degree, right? Because after 120 degree from the reference, it is starting. It is starting after how much degree? After 120 degree. In the simple way I am explaining. Now here you see, come to the 0 of the B phase. 0 of the B phase, after how much degree it is starting? Tell me. This is after how much degree? Look at here. This is 120 degree.
240.
240 degree. Very, very good. So now Vy, how I will write down V?
B.
VB will be equal to how much? Tell me. Vm
Vm
sin
sin omega t
minus
minus
240 degree, or else I can also write down as, or else can I write down as, this is equal to Vm sin omega t plus 120 degree. Will I be correct? If I am writing VB is equal to Vm sin omega t plus 120, will I be correct? Tell me, be frank enough.
yes,
to
yes,
tell me.
ma'am, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
पीछे अगर ले
Yes.
जाएंगे तो
मैम पीछे यस मैम
Yes.
अगर एक्सिस के
Because-
पीछे ले जाएंगे तो प्लस 120 होगा.
Yes, very good. That I wanted to know. So if you will see that this one will be going and it will be starting at how much degree, you know? After 120 degree. You got it? Which one? VB. All of you understood? This is the
Yes,
concept. I am telling, don't just learn by heart. You have to, your concept has to be very clear. Okay. So this is how VB we can write. Okay. So these are the three voltages, VR, VY, VB, and the phase sequence is your RYB. So there are actually two phase sequence in the order in which they come with their maximum positive value. These are the two phase sequence. Now here I will ask you one question. RYB is one phase sequence. Second phase sequence is RBY. There will not be the third phase sequence. There are only two phase sequence. Listen to me very carefully, all of you, I'm telling you. Three phase you will feel difficult little bit compared to your single phase. So now here you see you are having two phase sequence. One is RYB, another one is RBY. Can you combine any other phase sequence? Can you combine, interchange anyone? And you can you tell me, yes, this can be a phase sequence? Tell me. Any combination with R, Y and B, tell me. Tell. You will there be any, huh?
मैम बी आर वाई
Y R, what you are telling? B, this one.
Yes.
And
Ma'am,
anybody?
BRY.
Any, BRY. Then anybody?
मैम टोटल 8 सीक्वेंस बनेंगे.
तुम बोलो जो सीक्वेंस मुझे बोलो, बोलना है बोलो.
BYR.
मैम वाई आर बी
Y B R. You tell any of these
मैम
one.
वाई आर बी
Y R B I have
अभी हो
written.
चुका है.
Okay. You
BYR.
tell me
बी वाई आर
B Y R. Okay. Any phase sequence you tell, this will come under these two phase sequence. Okay. This will come. How is it? You see. Remember that here we are calculating from the reference axis. This does not mean that the cycle is starting from here. We are everything where the cycle is continued, right? The cycle goes on continuing. How I have shown you here. The cycle is going on continuing. So now here, come to here. If you interchange this one, if I am taking this one as the reference, here what will be the phase sequence? First R comes, then B comes, then Y comes. So this comes as RBY. Yes or no? Here you see this will be RYB, second one. Got it or not? Understood all
Yes,
of you? This one, third one, it will come as RYB.
YB.
Next one, it will be RBY. So there are only two phase sequence. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So now tell me, anybody? So here you see, any calculation we are taking it from the reference axis. It's not that my cycle is just starting here. Here you see, I have told you that I have explained you, just wait. I have explained you that my cycle, this one is Vm sin omega t. Yeah, you are taking this one? You are taking this one? This is how much? This is Vm sin omega t. Are you taking this one? Yes or no? V is equal to Vm sin
Yes,
omega t. Does it mean that my cycle is starting from here only and the cycle does not come before this one? The cycle is going on, right?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Here we are taking this as the reference, V equal to Vm sin omega t. Same thing here. Same thing here. First, when I'm taking the calculation, this one we are taking it as the reference. RYB, the circle is going on, right? Here also RYB, right? Here also RYB, right? Here RBY, right? Understood now who was asking?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it clear? Completely your concept should be clear. All of you understood? Okay, so there are two phase sequence. Now, suppose you have gone to a visit to a industry. Okay, practical thing I'm telling you. One, why you have gone to an industry, you have gone for a paper industry or mill somewhere, and you are seeing that the motor is rotating, three-phase motor is rotating and it is doing some work. Okay, it is suppose rotating at clockwise direction. It is rotating at clockwise direction. Okay, this is a three-phase motor. It is rotating at clockwise direction. Okay, you have seen your washing machine? Yes or no? Have you seen your washing machine, how it is rotating?
Yes, ma'am.
देखिए or नहीं? Or you have put your clothes and you have switched on and you have come back. Have you ever observed how the motor is actually
Yes, ma'am.
rotating?
Yes, ma'am.
One
Ma'am,
case
clockwise
you
and anti-clockwise both.
anti-clockwise phase direction. If it is rotating in the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, then it is the efficiency will be more. It will do your work having more efficiency. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it or not? So same thing here. Same thing in this case also. Suppose you have gone to an industry, you have seen that the motor is rotating in one direction. You want that the motor should rotate in the other direction. What will be your suggestion? Tell me. Now I have explained this one. What will be your suggestion? Tell me. What will be your suggestion to them that yes, the motor can rotate in the anti-clockwise direction by doing this one? What will be that? Yes, I have already explained. I have given you hint also. What you have to do? What you have to do? Just tell me. Yes, let it be wrong. Tell me. I want the answer from you.
To make it
And
two-phase.
reverse the sequence.
Yes.
Change the both.
You don't have to reverse the sequence. You don't have to reverse the sequence. What you have to do it is, I am having three terminals, R, Y and B. What you need to do? You have
the
to
phase.
change. Yes. Who told this one? Very good. So what you have to do, you will just interchange these two terminal and you check your motor will, anyone. It's not that I have 10, any one you change. Why are you change? I have told you any combination you do, that will be another phase sequence. Am I clear to all of you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear? Fundamental is clear?
Yes,
So when you have three-phase motor, if in your home also you are having a three-phase motor, you can check by interchanging the terminals, you will see that the motor is rotating in the reverse direction, right? So you are having two phase sequence. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Another thing I am telling you, naming of the phases. One is your phase sequence, another one is naming of phases. Naming of phase. So I will be naming RYB. Okay, in some books it will be 1, 2, 3. In some books it is written as A, B, C. Any one you can name.
मैम वो
Okay,
थोड़ा
I
ऊपर
will,
कीजिएगा, वो थोड़ा लिखना है.
this one.
Yes, ma'am. थोड़ा.
Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here you see naming of the phases. I will be naming. If you'll see other books, it may be taken. Anyone you can take. I will be taking this one, RYB. Okay. Now coming to the third one. Third one is last one, that is double script notation. Double script notation. Double script notation. Double script notation means if I am writing VRY, what does it mean? What does it mean? VRY is equal to how much? Voltage across, this is what? Voltage across R and Y, right? if I am writing VRY, can I write down it is equal to minus VIR? Yes or no, tell me. Yes or no, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. So I will be using double script notation such that you can know what is the voltage across that two terminals. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Written all of you? You have to understand step by step, because this, if you don't understand the concept here, clear? So now coming to the main part of the three-phase circuit, connections of three-phase connection. Write down, make a heading, three-phase connection. Three-phase connection. So how many windings are there, tell me, in three-phase? How many windings are there in three-phase?
8.
3 windings are there. Very good. Very, very good. Three-phase three windings are there. Now let I will number it as R1. Name the two terminals as this is Y1 and another one is B1. Okay. So now we can connect these 3 windings. We can connect these 3 windings by 2 ways. Okay. 2 ways of connections are there. 2 ways in your course. Okay. There are other ways in your syllabus, only 2 ways are there. 2 ways are there. One is your star or Y connection. Star or Y connection, and it is denoted as capital Y. Y connection. Second one is delta or mesh connection. Delta or mesh, it is denoted as delta symbol, delta connection. Okay. 2 ways of connections are there. One is star and delta. Clear to all of you? Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming to the star connection. Star connection. Star, or we call it as Y connection. Now in this case, you are having 3 windings. Understand all of you very carefully. Listen to me, all of you. Okay. So here you see, you are having how many windings? R1, one winding, Y1, another winding, B1, another windings. Okay. So now here, if I am connecting 3 similar ends, if I am connecting, what are the 3 similar ends? If I am connecting 3 similar ends, okay, 3 similar ends means R1, Y1, B1 if I am connecting, okay, then this point is known as neutral point. This point is your neutral point, and these are the 3 lines R, this one is Y, and this one is your B. Clear to all of you? Okay. Tell.
I'm telling yes ma'am only.
हाँ, क्या हुआ? बोलो बोलो.
कुछ नहीं मैम.
सबको सब समझ में आ जाता है. I want that some should ask questions. See here. Written all of you? So here you see, yes. You are having, here you see, we are having 1 winding. Here you will be having 1 conductor, and here the conductor will, 1 conductor, here you see. And here the current will flow in this, here the current will flow in this. Okay. So in the neutral, what is the, I have already discussed in the theory class, what is the current in the neutral? Tell me. This current is your IR, this current is your IY, this current is your IB. What is the current in the neutral?
IR
Neutral,
plus
the
IY plus IB.
IR plus IY plus
Yes.
IB.
IB.
Okay, this is the current in the neutral. Understood? Now here you see we have got the star connection. Now if I am taking the voltage between any, these are the line, this is one line, this is another line, this is another line. If I am taking the voltage between any line to neutral, any line to neutral, if I am taking, that means that is which voltage?
Phase
Yes,
voltage.
very good. Good, very good. You have remembered whatever I have taught you. Then any line to neutral, VRN, VYN, another one is what? VYN, another one is VBN. Any line to neutral, we call it as phase voltage. Okay, phase voltage. All these three phase voltages, okay, all these phase voltages, three phase voltages are equal in magnitude. Why they are equal in magnitude? Tell me. Are equal in magnitude under how much degree phase difference?
Ma'am, 120 degree.
Yes, very good. Equal in magnitude and 120 degree apart from each other. Am I clear to each one of you?
Yes,
Each one
ma'am.
of you, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, these are all which voltages? These are all which voltages? Any
And
line
phase
to
vol-
neutral. Okay. So phase voltages are defined as. So phase voltages are defined as what? Phase voltage is what? It is the voltage between what? Tell
Phase
me.
and neutral.
Phase और मत बोलो. Voltage between line
Line
and
Line and
neutral.
neutral.
okay. Phase का क्या मतलब है? Line and neutral. Any line to neutral I am taking. These are, that is your what? Phase voltage. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So written, this one written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Jaldi jaldi likhna. So now we are having three voltages. What are the three voltages? My phase sequence is, I am taking always the phase sequence RYB, because I am assuming that my maximum value of the phase R comes, then Y comes, then B comes. Okay. So here also I am taking, this is VRN, this is VYN, this is VBN. All the three phase voltages are equal in magnitude and they are 120 degree apart from each other. Understood all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Okay, very good. So this is the three phase voltages equal in magnitude. Again and again I am telling you, this will not be equal if you are taking an unbalanced system. Okay, that is in case of a practical. Theoretically, we are reading for a balanced system, but practically our power
There
system
is
is not a
unbalanced.
balanced system. It is completely an unbalanced system. Phase difference is not equal to a 120 degree. It is more, it is in your unbalanced system, the phase difference is different than 120 degree. Okay, you cannot predict now what is the phase difference. Phase difference is changing. So now magnitude is constant in case of your balanced system, right? So now coming to the next voltage, see the diagram. If I am taking the voltage between, if I am taking the voltage between any two line, if I am taking between R and Y, between Y and B, or between B and R, all these are which voltages?
Line
Line voltage.
Okay, these are all line voltage. Now here you see, so what are the line voltages? Tell me. If I am taking between any two lines, RY, YB and BR. So all these three voltages are which voltage? Line voltage. So how will you define line voltage? Tell me, what will be the definition of line voltage? Line voltage.
Two lines.
Huh, voltage between, who is answering? Vaishnavi?
Yes, ma'am.
Voltage between any two lines. Voltage between any two lines. Okay. So this is your line voltage. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing in the balance system. In the balance system, what is the magnitude of the line voltage? In a balance system,
Equal.
yes, balance system, all the three line voltages are equal in magnitude, and how much phase difference?
No one.
120.
Magnitude and are 120
120 degree.
apart. Okay, 120 degree apart from each other. Here, so here I can show you all the three line voltages as, what are the three line voltages? RY, another one is what? B, YB, another one is what? BR, right? All these line voltages are 120 degree apart from each other. Clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Written all of you? Siddhant, Soham, have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, मेरे क्लास में अटेंटिवली सुन लो और लास्ट को पढ़ने के लिए ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं होगा, ठीक है? So now next come to, yes. So now I have shown you all the three voltages, three line voltages and three phase voltages. Now come to the current. Similarly, we are having three phase current, three line currents also. Okay. If the current is the current flowing in the windings, the current flowing in the windings, this is my R, this is neutral wire, and this one is Y, this one is your B. Okay, the current in the neutral is your IR plus IB plus IY. This is in a balance system, this is equal to 0. I have already explained you how it is equal to 0. Current in the neutral wire is equal to 0 when the system is balanced. Okay, now here you see that the current which is flowing in the line, this is your line current. This is your line current. This is your IR. Okay, this one is your IY and this one is your IB. All are line currents. These are called as line current. IL, this is IL, this is your also IL. Okay, clear to all of you? And the current which is flowing in the windings, this is your phase current, I phase. IPH means this is your phase current. This one is also the phase current. Okay, this one is also the phase current. Clear to all of you? Which one is line current and which one is phase current? Clear or not? Tell me. Line current is what? Tell. Any doubt? Tell. किसका doubt है? No doubt. Somebody unmuted to ask. Current flowing in the line is called as the line current. Okay. What is phase current? Tell me. What is phase current?
Current between line and neutral.
Phase current, very good. Phase current is simply current flowing in windings are called phase current. Understood? It is denoted as IL. This is denoted as IPH. So in a star connection, written up to this, all of you have written. Tell me if you have not written. So in a star connection, line currents are equal. Yes or no? In star connection, what is the line current? The relation between line current and phase current. Look at here. Look at the diagram. Is there any difference between the line current and phase current? You see here, same line current is going in the phase. Yes or no? Here also same line current is going in the phase. In the upper one also, here you see the same line current is going in the phase. So line current is equal to the phase current. Am I correct? Am I correct to all of you? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I think. Yes, ma'am.
So here you see here why you are thinking, Satyavrata, why you are thinking. Here you see the current is flowing in the line. The same current is flowing in the windings also.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Got it? All
Yes,
of you?
ma'am. Got it, ma'am.
The current is flowing in the line. It is going in the winding also. Same thing is the upper case. So in the star connection, I phase is equal to IL. This is your first point, first conclusion. Second one is, I will find out what is the relation between the phase voltage and the line voltage. As you see from the circuit from the diagram, that the currents voltages are not equal. Okay, so there is some relation between the phase voltage and line voltage. Let us find out. Now look at here. Look at here. Can I write down VR? Make a heading that the relation between, you may get here derivation also, you may get relation between phase voltage and line voltage. तुम लोग पढ़े थे ये 12th standard में? Phase voltage
याद
and
नहीं.
तो मैं तो और क्या झूठ बोल रही हूँ तुम लोगों को. एग्जाम तो नहीं दिए, एटलीस्ट क्या पढ़े थे तो ये वो तो याद करना पड़ेगा. रिलेशन पता नहीं. ठीक है,
हम वो दो साल पहले पढ़े थे.
रिलेशन आपने बताया था लैब में.
हाँ, phase voltage, this is line voltage. Now here you see, look at here. What is your line voltage? Tell me. Look at here. Can I write down? You to see your own diagram. हाँ, मैं ऊपर नीचे नहीं कर सकती. VRY. VRY is the voltage between R and Y. Now here you see, if I want to find out the voltage between R and Y, so can I write down VRY is equal to, listen to me very carefully, VRY is equal to VRN. This is my VRN voltage. Another one is, this is which voltage? This is VNY voltage. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
All of you got it? VRN plus VNY. Can I get the voltage VRY? All of you agree? All of you agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood? और कुछ students I need more response. So VRY is equal to VRN plus VNY. Similarly, I can write down VYB is equal to VYN plus VNB. Similarly, I can write down VBR is equal to VBN plus VNR. Yes or no? All of you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ritik Mahanti, you understood? Ritik अटेंडेंस दे करके चले गया. देखो सुयश, 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 तुम्हारा हर समय सब कोई चला जाता है. तुम और मैं सिर्फ रहते हो वो जो क्लासरूम में. तुम कभी नहीं लीव करते हो. लॉग इन करके कहाँ चले जाते हो? नहीं,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
You understand everything? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ? या लॉगिन करके सो गए हो?
लॉगिन वो नेटवर्क इशू था उस दिन इसलिए.
ठीक है, ठीक है. So here VRN plus VNY is equal to VRY. So I can write down this as VRN plus minus of VYN. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
तुम अभी नहीं पढ़ो, मेरे क्लास में मत पढ़ो, पर बाद में तुमको टाइम वेस्ट करके पढ़ना पड़ेगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू, आफ्टर 3-phase सर्किट so much theory will come, you will not able to understand, not able to remember. So यहाँ से पढ़ करके जाओ, लास्ट में हिस्ट्री जैसे तुम लोग लर्न करोगे. आई एम टेलिंग यू, पूरा हिस्ट्री जैसे एक मेजरमेंट है, मशीन है, यू हैव टू लर्न बाय हार्ट. नो प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर फ्रॉम द
मैम
मेजरमेंट.
हिस्ट्री तो बोरिंग होता है.
हाँ, वही भी बोरिंग है. इसके बाद बोरिंग आ जाएगा. 3-phase सर्किट और मैग्नेटिक सर्किट के बाद पूरा बोरिंग आ जाएगा. वो तुमको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. बहुत सारा प्रेशर आ जाएगा. माइंड इट, रिमेंबर.
Yes, ma'am.
सो क्लास में हाँ
मैम सेटा माइनस होगा ना.
हाँ, this one is minus.
Yes, ma'am. Minus.
Minus YN.
Yes. Minus
आपने
of
change
VYN.
किया. Yes, ma'am.
So this one will be VYN plus how much? Minus of VBN. Okay. This one will be VBN plus minus of VRN. So now I will add VRN with, these are all vector sum. Remember, arithmetic sum भूल जाओ 3-phase में. फेज मतलब फेज सर्किट सिंगल फेज हो या 3-phase हो, you all are vector sum. Arithmetic sum is only you have to take it when the case is DC, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here you see you will add what? VRN. Now I will draw all the voltages VRN. This one is I have drawn VYN. This one I have drawn. This one is VBN. All the voltages I have drawn it. Understand first, then you will draw. Huh? I will leave it. Time is not there. So I will send you. You will draw it here. VR. This is YN. This one is VBN. Now, in order to get the relation between the line voltage and phase voltage, here you see this is my line voltage. VRY is nothing but my line voltage. But these are what? VRN and VYN. These are which voltage? This is phase voltage.
Phase.
This one is phase voltage, right? So here you see I have the VRN minus VYN will be in which direction? Minus of VYN. VYN is in
direction.
opposite to this one. So this is my which vector? Minus of VYN vector. Am I correct? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will add which one? I will add VRN with minus of VYN. So when I will add these two vector, VRN with minus of VYN, then I am getting the resultant as this one. This is which vector? Tell me. This is your what? Which one? Which one? Quickly tell.
Resultant vector.
Resultant is how much? Resultant is how much? VRN plus minus of VYN is equal to how much?
BNY.
How much is equal to how much?
VYR.
VRN plus minus of VYN is equal to how much?
VRY.
इतना देर तुम लोग को क्या ये दिखाई नहीं? It is not visible. My screen is not visible. You are out of the screen. or
मैम
what?
मैंने VYR बोल दिया था.
क्यों VRY बोल रहे हो? मैं तो दिखा रही हूँ यहाँ पर VRY. So VRN plus minus of VYN is equal to how much? This one is your
VRN.
addition.
Right.
This is your VRY. Understood? So this is my line voltage. This is VL. This one is your phase voltage V phase. This one is also the phase voltage V phase. This angle is how much? How much degree is this angle? Tell me.
मैम
How much it is? Yes, somebody told the answer. 60 degree. Very good. So this angle is your 60 degree. This angle is your 30 degree, right? So if you have remembered the parallelogram law of vectors, there you know that this will be equal to how much? V line will be equal to how much? Twice of V line. This one is your V line. will be equal to 2 into which one? This is which voltage? Phase voltage. This is which voltage? Phase voltage. These two are phase voltage. Listen to me, I will share the board. You will draw it from there. Don't worry. So 2 into V phase multiplied with cos. What is the angle between that two? 60 degree?
60 degree.
Okay. So cos how much? Cos 60 degree divided by 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
You have remembered this or not? Huh? Have you remembered or not? VL is equal to this one. This is my VL. This one is your V phase. I have written here. This is V phase. This is V phase. Angle between these two is how much degree? 60 degree. So this is twice into V phase into cos 60 degree divided by 2. Okay. Have you remembered this or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 2 into V phase into cos 60 degree is how much?
Half.
Root 3, huh?
Half.
मैम हाफ होता है ना
Cos 60 degree मैम sin 30 होगा ना तो half होगा.
हाफ
मैम 1/2 होगा ना.
मैम 1/2
60 डिग्री by 2 कर देना.
Cos 60 degree. So, yes, so the cos 60 degree divided by 2. So this will be equal to how much? Cos
Cos
30
30
degree.
degree.
So this will be 2 into V phase into root 3 divided by 2. So this is equal to how much?
Root
So
3
this will be
VPH.
equal to root 3 into
root 3
V
VPH.
phase. So VL is equal to root 3 V phase, or this implies VA phase is equal to VL divided by root 3. This is the relation between VL and V phase. Derivation also possibilities there, it may come. Okay. Find the relation between line voltage and phase voltage in star connection. You may get question. Okay. So here we are getting two conclusion. First conclusion is what? In star connection, what is the first thing? Line voltage and line current and phase currents are equal. Second case is line voltage is equal to root 3 times of phase voltage, or phase voltage is equal to 1 by root 3 times of the line voltage. These are the two conclusions. Clear to anybody having doubt from here? Tell
No,
me.
ma'am, no doubt.
Or I am asking to all of you. Anybody having doubt, tell me.
Ma'am.
एक
Ankit, you understood? Ankit?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now last one come to power. What is your single phase power? Tell me. This one already I have explained in the theory lab class. What is your single phase power? Single phase power is your V phase, I phase into cos theta, where theta is the angle between what? V phase and I phase? Yes or no? In three phase power will be just multiply with 3. Three phase power is 3 into V phase into I phase into cos theta, where theta is the angle between phase voltage and phase current. Theta is the angle between how much? Phase voltage and which current? Phase current. Ritika, you got it? Ritika, Chetna, Chhavi. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now here I can write down this is equal to 3 into V phase is equal to how much? VL divided by root 3. I phase is equal to IL into cos theta. So this will be equal to how much? This is equal to how much? Root 3 VL IL cos theta. So 3 phase power in star connection. 3 phase power in star connection is equal to root 3 VL IL cos theta. And remember that here theta is not the angle between VL and IL. Rather theta is the angle between V phase and I phase. Clear? Theta is the angle between what? Phase voltage and phase current. Clear to all of you or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are having three conclusion. What are the three conclusion? Tell me. Tell me. You tell me. I will write three conclusion. What you got? One is
phase current
I-
equals line current.
phase. Second one is VL equal to √3 into V phase.
We pay.
What is your power? Power is equal to
Ma'am, √3 VLIL.
We VLIL cos theta.
cos theta. Where theta is the angle between what?
Ma'am, phase voltage and phase current.
थीटा यहाँ पर मत बोलना कि लाइन वोल्टेज और लाइन करंट मैडम लिख दिए तो लाइन वोल्टेज और लाइन करंट के बीच एंगल है. नो,
Ma'am, phase voltage and
थीटा,
phase current.
हाँ, थीटा इज द एंगल बिटवीन फेज वोल्टेज एंड फेज करंट. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt up to this? Tell me. Next
No,
class
ma'am.
we'll go on
No,
to delta connection.
Ma'am, वो attendance कुछ बच्चों को.
मैम अटेंडेंस मैम.
कल tomorrow I will take class at 10 o'clock. All
ओके
of you.
मैम.
And because there is possibility of cyclone and heavy rain, so I may not take class. May not. Maybe I can take, but may not. So for precaution, I am taking tomorrow class. Okay.
ओके
Okay,
मैम.
ma'am.
Tomorrow at
Ma'am.
10 o'clock. I'm. हाँ बोलो.
मैम अटेंडेंस मैम.
अटेंडेंस दे देती हूँ. जो अटेंडेंस क्यों? तुम लोगों का तो जोगो क्लास था. जोगा तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो और ज्वाइन करने के लिए लेट. ऑनलाइन में ज्वाइन करने के लिए क्या है?
नहीं मैम वो आज मैम.
मैम, हाँ मैम.
मैम 12
मैम 7:49.
उठे थे ना मैम, तो इसलिए फिर से सो गए थे।
Wait. I will go serial wise. Saurabh is present.
सौरभ था मैम.
था मतलब कहाँ चला गया?
हाँ मैम.
था मतलब था क्या? सायक.
मैम सायक प्रेजेंट है मैम. चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है.
तुम क्या सत्यव्रत सबका प्रेजेंट दे दोगे ना?
नो मैम.
अच्छा, सायक का चैट बॉक्स में लिखा है. सायन.
प्रेजेंट
मैम वो भी प्रेजेंट है मैम।
मैम चैट
कौन?
बॉक्स में लिखा था मैं।
Sayan.
Those who have given attendance Monday.
मैम सायन प्रेजेंट मैम।
कौन?
मैं
सायक. Saurabh is present.
Shivam
Sayak is
present, ma'am.
present. Sayan.
सायन प्रेजेंट।
शिवम.
Present मैम.
शिवम तुम लेट में क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हो?
मैम आज
शिवम?
लेट हो गया मैम.
मैम सो रहा था इसलिए।
हाँ. अनुष्का.
प्रेजेंट मैम।
तुम लोग का सब नेक्स्ट ईयर ना 7 o'clock क्लास हो रहा है, मैंने पता है 6:30 या 7 o'clock.
प्रेजेंट मैम से जाएंगे मैम.
हाँ
नहीं
जाओ.
मैम,
आशीष पटनायक
प्रेजेंट मैम. प्रेजेंट मैम.
एंड नहीं गलत में झूठ से
ना,
बोल रही हूँ.
हाँ,
8 o'clock.
present.
नहीं 8 o'clock शुरू होगा. आयुषी प्रेजेंट.
प्रेजेंट मैम, यस मैम।
नील.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
तो 100% अटेंडेंस हो जाएगा. ये कौन है? प्रत्युष.
प्रेजेंट मैम.
देन प्रियेश.
यस मैम, आई वाज प्रेजेंट। मैं आपने प्रियम की जगह मेरे को एब्सेंट कर दिया था।
अच्छा ठीक है. प्रियम एब्सेंट है क्या?
यस मैम।
प्रियम. आज समुद्र नील तो एब्सेंट है. समुद्र नील कहाँ एक एडवेंचर ट्रिप में गया है क्या? या उसका तबीयत पे भी सही है? तो समुद्र नील का पता नहीं. इतना सारा स्टूडेंट्स अब किसी को पता नहीं उसका क्या हुआ है समुद्र नील का. सॉरी.
उससे बात नहीं होती उतनी.
अच्छा सॉरी. प्रेजेंट नहीं और कोई नहीं है शायद. ये सब प्रेजेंट है. चलो.